What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.19, up about 8% on the day. Same market with 10.23 billion, 24-hour volume 1.09 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we've seen a beautiful bounce. We were looking for that wave B. However, we've actually pushed up in a 5-way move. I was looking for an ABC, but as you can see, we have pushed up in 5 waves. It doesn't mean that this couldn't be a wave B. Anything is possible. But if we were to pull back from here and we were able to hold the 0.786, which is currently at 99 cents, then there could be an opportunity that this pullback is finished. Now, taking a look at Matic, if we zoom out on the 4-hour time frame, I took a fib retracement from the start of this wave, from the low of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 5, and we did break all the way below the 61.8% fib retracement. So we've done everything we need to put in a wave 2 pullback. So basically, you come up in a wave 1, there's your wave 2, and you would push up in a wave 3 of the larger wave 3. Now I can give you a target for that, assuming that the low is in. Of course, that's not promised. It's just to give you a target. If that were to be the low of this wave 2 of the larger wave 3, then your technical target would be the 1.618, which would take you all the way up to $3.18 for the price of Matic. And from the current price, where are we here? That would be a juicy gain of about 171%. So your key support to watch is 99 cents. If we do pull back from here, if we continue to explode to the upside, then that could give more confirmation of that 5-way move. Then that could give more confirmation that this isn't a wave B. But of course, a wave B can be crazy. It can be overshooting. But as of right now, we do have a nice 5-way move to the upside. So if we see that wave 2 pullback, the support to hold is 99 cents. Anywhere in between the 50% and the 78% and the 78.6% fib level is a normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback. So look for that. Now looking at our next chart on the weekly, we're about to print the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. And this is on KuCoin. I think on, it was Binance. Let me grab see where my Binance chart is here. Yeah, Binance, it looks like we've already printed the bullish cross. And if you look at the last time we printed the bullish cross, we were down here at about 1 cent for Matic, and we absolutely exploded about 20,000% the last time we printed the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55. And it looks like we've done that once again. As you can see here on Binance, we've already printed it. And then here on KuCoin, it's just about to print. And we have a beautiful bottoming tail candle here on the weekly. The price was pushed all the way back up before the weekly close. We call that a bottoming tail, and that can be a sign of reversal, and that you'll see continuation of the uptrend. So do watch for that. Looking at ETH, same thing. Looks like we pushed up in a 5-way move. Of course, there is potential of an overshooting wave B, but as you can see, Ethereum is already pushed up back to that previous high. So if we do start to pull back from here, then we can give you the key support to watch for that wave 2 if this 5-way move is complete. And the support to watch that we wouldn't want to break is all the way back down at the 786, which is currently at 1435, and 50% retracements at 1529 with a minimum target of 1566, which is the 38.2. So if we do pull back from here, look for that target zone for a potential wave 2 pullback. If we break 1435, then there is higher potential. This is indeed an overshooting wave B, and you would come down in that wave C. But right now we do have a beautiful 5-way move. So if we see a 3-way move, we hold that yellow box, we bounce, then that's beautiful confirmation. We will see continuation to the upside and see Ethereum start to break out. We do have a nice inverse head and shoulders here on the weekly time frame. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We did manage to close the weekly with a bottoming tail above the 20 EMA. So if we break out of this pattern, your target's all the way up here at 1735. Of course, if we get rejected and we simply roll over, then you can come back down to this ascending support line that we were targeting at about 1300 for ETH. All right, gang, so that's it for this update. Key levels to watch for Matic if we pull back from here. In between 99 cents and $1.06. If we break 99 cents, higher confirmation that this is a wave B. However, if we can hold that pullback, we bounce, we break that previous high, then the low would be in for Matic. Of course, we can continue to push up. I'm just giving you the scenario if we do break down from here. Those are your key levels to watch. And as I mentioned, we have pulled all the way back. There's a lot of Fibonacci's here, so it's a little bit distracting. But this 5-wave move has pulled all the way back below the 61.8 Fib retracement, and we've bounced. So that is a normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback. And we haven't seen a 5-wave move off that level, which is a good sign for the bull. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits, my HODL all plays. Only $10 a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.